Okay guys, in one of my other videos I said don't ever be afraid to, when you're working on a piece, put it aside if you don't like the way it is. Put it aside and just look at it and figure out what you can do with it, you know, when you're ready to do. So that's what happened with this piece. I carved this piece in a video. This is punched nose, this is punched in face bent nose. Okay, it looks cool from the side, but not cool enough. So today I'm just going to carve this beard in, carve some hair up here, and yeah. So I'll take a before and after picture. This is just to give you an example. If you don't like the piece that you're working on, put it aside, work on something else, keep on looking at the piece till you figure out what you want to do with it. Okay, so I'll take some pictures and before and after. Okay guys, there you go. That's how you turn $80 carving into I don't know, $100 carving. But you see I put all the whiskers in there, all the different hairs. So there you go, a couple little strands of hair up there. Let's see her standing up. There you go. 45 minutes fix. Probably $80 carving to $150 carving.